Hello, I'm Emma Del Torto. I'm the Managing Director of Effective HRM. I used to be a lawyer, but now I am an HR consultant. And what that means is that with my legal expertise, I'm able to lead a team of expert HR advisors and help small businesses with their HR issues and compliance. I started the business in 2011. I was on my own. I took one client from the last law firm where I worked and started the HR consultancy. About a year later, I joined forces with my now business partner, Gemma Davis, and we combined our portfolio of clients. I think we had about 10 clients between us, and we've grown that in a period of 5 years to 100 retained clients. So I'm proud of many things that we've done so far at Effective HRM. One of our success stories is hiring a graduate and through Go Wales and helping her develop her skills. She was a graduate with a human resource management degree from the University of South Wales. She had great potential. We saw that in her very first interview, and she worked with us for 2 years, and we were able to provide her with really good work experience, and she learned lots. And then she left us, and she's got a great job. And I think that she wouldn't have had the opportunities without the experience that she gained by being our employee. So we're very proud of her. Another proud moment was having been accepted onto the Accelerated Growth Programme, which means that we've taken our small lifestyle business and we're going to grow our business quite significantly in the next 3 years. At the moment, we're very much a Welsh business, servicing small to medium-sized businesses in South Wales, Mid Wales and North Wales, and we really want to take our business nationally and possibly even internationally as well. Our best marketing advice would be to make full use of social media. It's a free tool to use, and it's something that everybody can engage in, and businesses who are not using social media are really missing a trick. So that's our top tip. Okay, I think it's very important to have focus and have a clear vision. I think communication skills are really important. It's all very well to have a vision, but if you can't communicate it to your team, they are not going to know what's going on. So it's important to be able to communicate your vision and then to execute it. My 3 business tips are 3 C's. Contracts. It's very important to have contracts with your business partners, with your customers and with your staff. Customers, you've got to look after them because they're always right and they're what your business is all about. And number 3, cash. You must not be afraid of accounts and you need to get to grips with it.